welcome you to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Conrad K. Sangma inaugurates Apollo Trinity Medical Center in Shillong. CM Connect resolves PDS ration issue for Koraibari village residents. And BSF and BGB hold sector commander level border coordination meeting. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the Apollo Trinity Medical Center in Shillong, marking a significant step towards enhancing healthcare services in the state. The event, attended by Health Minister Dr. M. Amprin Lingdor, Chief Secretary D.P. Walang and Apollo Hospital's Regional CEO Rana Das Gupta, celebrated the completion of the world-class facility. Sangma highlighted the government's commitment to healthcare, noting that Meghalaya allocates nearly 9% of its budget to the sector. He emphasized the need for improved diagnostics and reduced medical expenses, particularly for residents traveling outside the state for treatment. The center, in collaboration with Apollo Hospitals, offers advanced diagnostic services with plans for further expansions. The Chief Minister also spoke about ongoing healthcare initiatives, including the recruitment of doctors and digitization of medical records, aiming to bridge gaps in medical infrastructure across the region.
I also request Shri Rana Das Gupta, the Regional CEO of Hospital. I also request Shri Manoj Roy, CEO of Apollo Hospitals, Guwahati. Shri Thomung Lung, CEO of Apollo XLK. And Shri Devapriya Dev to kindly grace us the occasion with the lighting of lamp.
All the machines. MRI has it? The MRI to second phase, CT and MRI is coming in the second phase. Yeah, 10 crores.
But that'll be there. That'll be up.
Amit and his team is actually interviewed.
6 months will be there?
Yeah. So this is the team. Then the eco here. Must check if everything is there. Everything is
We
there.
have to give some concession to pensioners.
Okay.
Senior citizens.
Senior citizens.
So you have to work out something.
As I enter that phase, I have to take care of.
This is the eco, sir. So in these flows are entire diagnostic flow. New machine, all are GE machines. All are integrated machines. Then sir, we have this. I can show you this one small thing. We have this vital condition.
Yeah. We are working to show that only. Yeah. Blood test. That's, yeah.
The health sector has been of great importance to us as a government, and you'll be happy to know that in terms of the percentage expenditure of GDP, Meghalaya spends more than 8%, almost 9% of our expenditure of our overall budget, our budget is on healthcare. And that makes us the number one in the country to spend the maximum amount percentage of the budget on healthcare. So this is reflective of the commitment that we have towards health and improvement of the health sector. Please remember, these are not easy things to do. There's a lot of challenges, and we have started at a very kind of a base line was very low for us, and therefore for us to come up from that baseline to where we are moving forward today, it's not about the challenge alone, it's about creating that inertia, creating that momentum, creating that motivation in the team, and that takes a lot of time. And that is something that has happened throughout the structure of governance. It's not just health, but health has seen that move much further. And I'm sure our officials who are present out here will tell you how the health sector is reforming, and how the involvement of the officials, involvement of the doctors has been at a different level, which has allowed us to really improve things and see where we are today. And of course, there's a lot more to be done. It's not that we are saying that we have resolved every issue. There's a lot of issue to be resolved, but clearly from where we were and where we are and where we are moving forward to, I can clearly see the direction and seeing that vision that our Chief Secretary had mentioned, that slowly and steadily Meghalaya, especially Shillong of course, will gain that reputation of being able to provide good medical and healthcare services in the days to come. And that's really kind of a goal and a target for us, which drives us. Again, a very big target, but we feel that it can be achieved if we continue this momentum that we're doing.
I believe that this center is such a center of hope. I urge upon both the Darbars of Norum Hill and the Darbar of Nauramba to work together on this project, to be on the same page, to not tussle as to who belongs and whose it is. We both need to figure out what do we do with this horrible drain which needs to be covered. And we both have to rally together. As a local representative, sir, I place before your knowledge that if this drain does not get covered, sir, it will unnecessarily cause exposure to all kinds of infections, to all those that will be traveling this road. We must do it, sir. There is no agency in this world that will throw development away on a flimsy notion that this is a water body. So it is the dirtiest of all drains, and it is the only drain left in my constituency that remains uncovered. We have dealt with this matter, sir, before. We have dealt with it in several other locations, where there are a handful of people who for some odd reason do not want to move along with the community and go ahead and see things happening and see how a facility like this can be a blessing to so many families.
Just you don't have to do anything much. Everything is computerized. So therefore, I urge all of you to please go and disseminate this very important information that it is a very good facility that we saw being inaugurated, and it could be free if we are registered under MHIS, because we take care of OPD and diagnostics also, which is what this center is all about. Therefore, with that information that I wanted to share with all of you, I come back again and congratulate all the promoters, Apollo, for the partnership that you have executed for this project, and I'm sure that this will go a long way in making Shillong.
A swift intervention under the CM Connect initiative has resolved a public distribution system (PDS) issue in Koraibari village, Ranikor, Meghalaya. Residents had complained to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma about being denied their monthly ration under the National Food Security Act (NFSA) by the local fair price shop (FPS) dealer Welwering R. Marak. Following the complaint, an inquiry team from the supply department visited the village on 17th February and confirmed that many beneficiaries had been deprived of their ration for up to 2 years. The FPS dealer's license was immediately cancelled and further punitive action was promised, including the filing of an FIR if the issue was not resolved. CM Sangma praised CM Connect for empowering citizens, allowing them to voice concerns and seek justice. Locals expressed gratitude for the timely intervention, ensuring they received their rightful entitlements. A sector commander level coordination meeting was held on February 19th between the Border Security Force (BSF) of India and the Border Guard Bangladesh (BGB) near BGB BOP Jaudanga in Bangladesh. The meeting aimed at strengthening bilateral relations and enhancing border management coordination, was led by Shri Lalit Mohan Sharma, DIG, BSF Tura, and Colonel Sarkar Mohammad Mostafizur Rahman, Sector Commander of BGB Myanmar Singh. The two sides discussed several border-related issues, including the Coordinated Border Management Plan, and emphasized mutual interests in maintaining a peaceful and secure border environment. Both commanders expressed satisfaction with the discussions and reaffirmed their commitment to fostering continued cooperation. The meeting concluded with an agreement to hold regular future coordination meetings to ensure smooth operations and strengthen the friendly relations between the two forces. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.